Holy Moses, friends. Check this out. Bloody Christmas. Look at that. Wow, we got parts. Amazon. And that's kind of cool.
Hi. Oh, shoot, I thought it was that.
Hi, Cher. So, I got my oil. Oh, this has been out here a while. The box is already completely soggy. Well, you know what? This should go straight out in the garage. Well, today's video was not going to be about Amazon deliveries and Amazon deliveries. It was going to be about fixing the Ferguson. So sorry about the shake. I'm just carrying this box. It's not stupid heavy, but it's heavy enough. And it is soggy. It might have been out overnight. Anyway. There's the oil that I love. You guys know that. Let's go over to the Ferguson. What we got here. Here's an up and coming project we're going to do. We picked this up. Mastercraft 12 horsepower 38-inch cut. It's got no spark, so I think it needs a magneto. And we got to weld the deck up.
And then we're going to give her a wash down with the pressure washer.
Clean her all up.
Fix the headlight wiring.
Full service.
And then.
But that's an up and coming video. So here's the Ferguson. Look what we got, friends. No more hot wiring. See that? We got the keys. Okay, so first click is ignition. Second click is ignition and lights. And what do we got here? Glowing headlight. And not so much. So we're going to change out the headlight. Took me forever to find these. I found them in LED, but they're 50 bucks a piece. So we're not decided yet. So when I first had this wonderful machine, you can see the nice stainless steel bolts that I put in when we first got this, because I went through the whole thing. And I spent a lot of time working on the electrical. All the wiring's done.
Tires too. We've got the new
yeah,
tire,
we got the new tires. So
okay.
Now this is janky. You gotta take the needle nose and pop those out, or take that off with the flathead first. It's right there.
Oh yeah. Oh, these clips, aren't they very expensive?
Yes, take that wire off. Just pull the wire off. Okay, so we'll put this up here and undo the ground wire. I don't know why, but those headlights. Where's there another hole? Yeah, there's a drain. No, there's not a drainage hole. So that's got to go this way next time, because there's water in there. So what happens is the rainwater gets in there. See the drainage hole? That has to be. The headlight has a drainage hole on each end, so they're ambidextrous.
But the pod's not so much.
So these fingers. Here, you hold the camera. Let me pop them out, because they're a little bit of a nightmare.
Now, we lost one of these or had one missing, and we looked them up, and they are ludicrously expensive.
Yeah.
We don't know why, but they are very, very expensive.
There it is. There's supposed to be 4 per headlight.
Now, jog my memory, was this one always burned out?
No, it worked for a bit.
And then fizzled out.
And then died. But I think it has blackness inside, but I'm not sure. Look at how old this has been laying around.
Where was this purchased?
I got this from NAPA, our local NAPA store. And it's the same thing, it's a GE. And you know, it's not black. If you look at this one, is it me or is that black?
No, it's black in the bottom.
Yeah, she's toast. Okay, so we wanted the hole at the bottom. So we are going to put the logo to the top. So that the hole ends up on the bottom. Yep, that's where that goes. And then these were a friggin' nightmare to get in. You gotta have 11 hands to do the job. Is that right? Where are we? Hole to the bottom. Right there. And watch this. There. That's it. And it falls. That's what happened the last time. No!
We have to be very careful not to move here. Okay, pause, friends. We'll be right back. So I paused. Okay. Okay, we found that. That's what happened last time. We ended up losing one.
You gotta hold the headlight down while you do this. Or if you loosen it off, it's sayonara, a little magic clip.
It's not a cool thing, really.
These are terrible, whoever invented this. Shame on you.
A retainer ring with screws or something would be nicer.
I wanted to keep these because of the stainless steel bezels. And I don't know if that was just for the deluxe model of the tractor. This is a deluxe. So I wanted to keep that for authenticity. Okay, now if I hold that and I get one opposite-ish, let's go over here. We'll go in thirds because I'm missing one. Oh, buddy. That one's a tough one. Whew. Well, maybe that's why. Wait a minute. I might have her upside down. You know. Yeah, I do. Although, let's get that one straightened out. Turn this one around. Yeah, that's easier. For sure. Yeah. Okay. Now put the ground wire on the ground terminal. I put like in one video when we first got the tractor. You can go back and look at all the work that we did. We changed
Changed the lights out, changed some of the fuel line. We did we redid the wiring. We did a main, like a transfer case and rear end flush, and changed out all the oil. Did a oil change on the motor oil. We're gonna be adjusting the valves on this soon.
Got the valve gasket in.
And we're gonna change the valve gasket
I was able to
out.
get that from our local tractor supply that I bought the TYM 465 from. That was Patterson's. And he got the parts from the Massey Ferguson dealer down in Nova Scotia. I can't just offhand don't remember the name. So the big hole's on the bottom. And get that red Robbie. Everything's put together by feel in this thing. You gotta kind of leave it half apart so you can see in there. None of these bolts or fasteners are self-guiding. They're actually the opposite. They fight you to go in. Easy, huh? Okay. Yeah, no impact tools here. No electric. All you electric driver jockeys that don't know how to operate manual tools from back in the day, like way back in the Stone Age when you used to have things called ratchets and sockets and extensions. Yeah, those days. All you guys know how to do is rattle the hell out of everything. There you go. So, moment of resist. There we go. What do we got? 2 lights?
2 lights.
So there it is. Now we got 2 lights. So we're back in business.
I think next we'll do the front tires maybe, or we got to get a nice weather day because we got to pull the gas tank out to get at the valve gasket.
So now this hasn't been running in a week. Let's see how she starts today. So we give her about a 1/3 throttle, full choke. First click. There she is in all her glory. How to do a headlight on your Massey Ferguson. Thanks, Jake, for the help. And as always, stellar oil pressure. And the load. We do have charging, so we know the generator's working. So that's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for signing in again. Real small, quick job today on the Massey. Get the headlight going. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll bring you more. Definitely. We're going to go through this and keep working on the 56 Massey Ferguson PAR46 TO35. Yeah. Anyway, thanks again. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you soon.